previously recorded. So this is my red beans and rice, y'all. Nope, it's that's them little red beans, baby. And that's rice. Can I get a thumbnail? And I made some ribs to go with it, y'all. So that's dinner. We finna go see what Grandma think. What's good? I hope y'all doing good today. Happy Sunday to y'all. I know y'all probably looking for me and probably done came checking back several times to see have I posted a video. And I had good intentions, y'all, but I'm struggling. I really did. I don't know what's going on with me today, y'all, but today is just one of those days where I just feel just burnt out, just tired, just can't get with it, just can't move, can't get out this bed, y'all. And I said to myself, I said, let me go and take me a shower, you know, to see if it'll help me out. It is now 2:52. 2:52.
Yeah.
And I ain't got out this bed yet. Yeah. I have got out the bed. I got out the bed, took me a shower.
Alright, hey, why don't you do so much grill call?
And I got up. I took the meat out.
Man, you know I asked you that 3 weeks ago, bro.
Put it on the stove, some smoked neck bones. Boiled them. They got tender. I got my greens in the sink soaking. And that's the farthest I got. But y'all, what was on the menu for y'all today was some collard greens with smoked neck bones in them, some corn casserole, smothered pork chop, cornbread, and mashed potatoes. And y'all, my intentions are so good, y'all. I swear I want to get in here and cook. I really do. I done went in there and I done boiled the meat, y'all, for the neck bones. That's the farthest I got. And them greens still sitting in the same. And then I've been trying to peel myself up out this bed, out this room, y'all. And it's just like, I just can't. I just wanted to come in here and show y'all what I'm talking about real quick. They playing his music. So hold on, let me show you what I'm talking about, y'all. I done turned my neck bones off over here, y'all. They just sitting there. They been off. And I got my greens over here soaking in the sink, y'all. That's the furthest I done got. So yeah, y'all. That's all I was able to do, y'all. And I just had to go on and turn it off. And I was like, you know what? When we get hungry tonight, it's probably just gonna be hot dogs for dinner or some chili dogs or something. And thank God I did buy some hot dogs and some bread and some hamburger meat to make some chili dogs. Because that was going to be on the menu for today. That's what I was thinking yesterday. But this morning, when I got up, I was like, I'm going to cook Sunday dinner today. But then, like I said, I had woke up so fast and I was like, I don't know. I had a little, it's like, I guess by me jumping up so fast, I had got a headache or whatever. So it's like, after I put them neck bones on, put my greens in the sink, it's just like my energy has started going downhill from there. So I don't know what done happened. But I had good intentions. I did. I don't know what's going on today. It's just like, I'm just so exhausted. My mind telling me that you already done missed yesterday. Go on and make a video. Other people, they get tired, but they keep on pushing, you know. But today, I can't think about other people, y'all. I gotta think about me, because it's just a struggle for me to even get out this, just go and do what I need to do. Then I was like, maybe if I just go and turn the camera on, it'll help me out, with getting it done and stuff. But y'all know how I told y'all that whenever I feel like I just don't feel like I want to cook, but you know what I'm saying? Like, you know how you just feel like you want to cook, but you don't want to cook because you're tired. And I hate to go in there and cook and then my food don't turn out right. And I hate to get on camera and my energy ain't where it need to be. You know what I'm saying? And so when I get on camera, y'all, I want y'all to see the love and feel the love as I'm in the kitchen cooking. But with the way that I'm feeling, I don't think that I'm going to get that energy that I need, you know what I'm saying, to get that food cooked like I want to cook. Now, I did eat some this morning. We just ate us, some leftovers this morning or whatever. But, I ate that and I had good intentions. I was like, well, I'm going to get on and I'm going to make a video, go live. But it's just like, I just cannot, I can't do it today, y'all. I can't do it. And I was thinking to myself, well, maybe I just need to, probably just get myself out the house or whatever. But that ain't even the case, y'all, because it ain't like I ain't got nowhere to go. I do have somewhere that I should have been today at 3 o'clock. I was supposed to be going to a birthday party, but I ain't got no energy. I can't even do that. And so I went in and I told Bae, I said, Bae, I'm just so tired. I don't know why I am so tired, but I am exhausted. And he was like, Bae, it's probably because you did all that cleaning yesterday. Y'all, when I tell y'all, time my feet hit the floor, I was cleaning, washing, cooking, ran to the stove, just doing, just going. And my feet hit the floor by, I want to say probably like 11 yesterday. Probably a little sooner than that. But I'm just going to say 11. Feet hit the floor by 11. By the time I finally sat down, it was, I know for a fact, after 7 last night. So, it could be just from that, just doing all I did yesterday, and I just wore myself out because my mama had called me this morning. It was like 9:30, something like that. And so she had called me this morning or whatever I'm hot. But she had called this morning on Messenger or whatever with my sister on the phone, and they was letting me know about the party, but I didn't know nothing about the party. So they was letting me know about the party or whatever. And so I got up about 9 something this morning. Now, hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back. But like I said, okay, so I got up like 9 something this morning, but I was up maybe like a few minutes before they had called. And so I had told, like, when I noticed, like, when I had got up this morning, I kind of like, got a little headache, but it had went away within just as fast as I had got it. And so I told him, I said, I think I woke up too fast. You know how when you is tired and you just getting your rest on, but then you jump up out of bed too fast, and that's what I told him. I said I jumped up like I had to go to work this morning or something. So I think I had jumped up out of bed too fast or something, and I didn't get all my sleep out, and so I think that I'm still tired, y'all, and I don't want to take a nap, and I didn't want to get too comfortable. That's why 3 o'clock done rolled around on me, because I didn't want to get too comfortable, because I was like, I wanted to make the video, but my body just won't let me go make the video. So so it's like when I know I have to come on and make a video for y'all, it bothers me, because I know that I'm supposed to be here for y'all and stuff, but I just can't today, y'all. I can't. And so I started to make a poll and I was gonna ask y'all, what did y'all want to see the most? So y'all just leave a comment down below and just let me know what y'all want to see the most. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record the video tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna cook the food, but I just might cook it tomorrow. Then I was thinking to myself, well, what if I get energy later on tonight? I might cook it tonight, but then I was like, nope, I ain't even gonna do it. I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow, and I might just pre-record it. Maybe that's what it's meant for me to do, is just pre-record it, y'all, and just come on and let y'all know, you know, what's what with me and why y'all ain't seen me today and stuff like that. But I know y'all can tell by looking at my eyes, child, I look tired. I look tired. I feel tired as I look. I really do, y'all. Hold on, let me get some more light because it look a little fuzzy. Okay, so yeah, I just feel tired, y'all. That's all. I just feel exhausted, and it's just like I just can't make myself. My mind want to, and your mind and your body sometimes it do two different things. My mind need to catch up with my body. If I'm gonna be tired, then my mind just need to be tired. That way I can stop feeling like, oh, I need to do this, or I need to do that. I want to do this, I want to do that, and I can't do shit. Bad as I want to, y'all, I can't do nothing, y'all. And I'm just sitting here in this room, and it's just like, it's bothering me because I want to, but I just can't. So maybe I just need to rest and stop worrying about it. Just let my body just go on and do what it want to do, because my body know what it want to do. But it's just me trying to do otherwise. And then on top of that, not only am I worried about that I was supposed to do a live, but I'm worried about I was supposed to show up for a birthday party. And I'm like, damn. So they just gonna have to understand though, cause I'm just not me today. No, I'm just not me today. So I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go on and get myself in relax mode. And if I feel up to it, I might just edit up a video or something like that for tomorrow. I don't know, y'all. I think I just need to get my whole body, mind, everything a rest, and just go on and be lazy today. Be a bed potato. And just going on to be lazy today, and, you know, just get my rest today. That way I can be rejuvenated for Monday. You know, so I think that's what I'm gonna do, and lay up here and just watch me some cooking videos, and go in there and take my meat and stuff and put it in the refrigerator, and take my greens and put them in the refrigerator, y'all. And I had my greens soaking in some vinegar water, you know, to clean them and stuff, y'all. I mean, I was finna throw down in the kitchen today. In my mind, honey, I am throwing down. Y'all see me throwing down. I promise y'all, I am throwing the hell down for y'all. And then, you know, I was, like I said, I was gonna make some collard greens. I was gonna make some smothered pork chop. I was gonna make some corn casserole, and I was gonna make some mashed potatoes and cornbread. So y'all let me know. Okay, this what I want to know, because I was gonna do a poll to find out what y'all wanted to see the most of, and so y'all let me know if y'all want to see which videos y'all want to see, and I will make those individually for y'all. So y'all let me know if y'all want to see collard greens by itself. If you want to see all of them, just let me know. I'll do all of them separately. But I don't want to make, you know, I don't want to take my time and make these videos for y'all, and that ain't what you want to see, because I do that a lot of times. Like, a lot of times I be like, I'm gonna go on and do this video separate, and they gonna appreciate that, but then, you know, that ain't what y'all be wanting to see. So y'all let me know if y'all want to see one of them separate, or if y'all just, I'm not gonna be able to come on live tomorrow and do it for y'all. I can, but I really wanna, during the week, it's my time to, you know, edit and stuff like that. And y'all know that I must be tired, because even if I didn't feel like cooking, y'all know, or didn't cook, y'all know that on the weekends, child, my tail be gone, be out and about, honey, enjoy my weekend. But I ain't did nothing. I did not get out the house yesterday. I didn't get out the house Friday, and I'm stuck in this house today. And you know, today should be one of the days, since I'm tired, that I edit. But, you know, I don't even feel like doing all that, y'all. I really don't. I really don't. I'm fighting. I'm really fighting going to sleep. If I just go to sleep, I probably feel fine. But I hate to go to sleep because I told y'all I'm on the wrong sleeping schedule and stuff. So if I go to sleep, then I ain't gonna sleep tonight. Then I'm just gonna be irritated and aggravated tomorrow. You know, cause I want to get up early in the morning so I can, get a lot of my stuff done, get some cooking done, get some editing done, so it'll be ready for y'all tomorrow at 7 and stuff like that, y'all. But y'all hear the music going in the living room. Y'all probably hear a little boom boom or something. Child Bay in there with his little energy, child, honey, on his game, enjoying himself, and I'm just in here just straight drowned. I'm just not drowned, drained. I'm just straight drained, y'all. That's just how I feel. I just feel drained. I ain't got a bit of it. So I guess this phone here must be out of memory. So I guess that's the end of this video. But yeah, I just wanted to come and let y'all know what was going on, and I'm alright. And I did get some sleep last night. I got some good rest. I don't know, y'all. I don't know why I'm so tired today. I guess my body just ain't caught up with what I did yesterday. But anyway, I hope y'all had a good Sunday and is having a good Sunday and ate something good. I miss y'all too. I love y'all. And, I could have came on live and just talked with y'all, but my energy ain't there. My energy ain't there, and I know some of y'all come, because of my energy, So my energy just ain't there. But I love y'all. I hope y'all have a good day, and I'll just see y'all on tomorrow. Don't forget to leave the comments down below and let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want these, I might still do a poll to see what y'all think. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna get me some rest, and I'll see y'all back when I get some energy. All right, I love y'all. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Mwah.